There are a group of rights that come from different sources that nursing home residents have. There is the right to get proper and adequate care, and we're generally talking about nursing care. Where does that right derive from? From the professional standards that govern nurses, licensed practical nurses, and CNAs, the primary caretakers of residents in nursing homes. The second place the rights are derived from are a very, very detailed and elaborate scheme of federal and state laws and regulations that relate directly to the care and standard of care that residents get in nursing homes. Why do we have to write such detailed laws and regulations and statutes for the elderly if nurses know what to do? Well, there are two reasons. One, because the elderly warrant protection. Congress, the state of New Jersey, and all legislative bodies have made that decision. Two, because if these nursing facilities are going to collect Medicaid dollars, they have to comply with the federal and state regulations that set a minimum standard of care. The minimum they have to do for residents, they can always do more to meet the residents' needs. Okay. The third right, if I can just continue for one moment, is a very powerful right, and it arises more in the litigation context. And I know we're going to talk about that in a little while. In the litigation context, than it does in the caretaking context or billing context through Medicaid. And that's something that's known as the New Jersey Residents' Rights and Responsibilities Act.